Looking at that almanac for yesterday, we bottomed out at 2 degrees for the low, so 10 degrees below average, and a good 15 degrees below average for that afternoon high of 18 degrees. We continue to be under this Arctic blast that we've been seeing going back to the end of last week. Nowhere near the record of 61, which was actually broken last year, negative 22 back in 1984. And now with daylight savings being observed, now sunrise occurs just a little bit after 8 a.m., sunset right before 8 p.m. But as we get closer to the equinox, we'll get very close to 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. in the next couple of days. Looking at today's highs, though, we continue to be still on the chilly side, but warming up gradually. Only 20 in Marquette, 22 in Munising, 26 in Escanaba. So we're still not yet there into those 30s, but we'll get there by the end of the week. Looking at those winds, mostly coming out of the northeast at 12 in Munising, 10 in Iron Mountain, 8 in Houghton out of the southeast, and more out of the north in Ironwood at 8. If you just remember a couple days ago, we were seeing winds up to 30 to 35 miles per hour. Now a lot more relaxed, and that is excellent news. Even though because of this northeasterly flow, though, we are still dealing with the chance of some lake effect snow showers. Anything that we do get in the next couple of days when it comes to the lake effect will be very light in intensity, and any accumulations could reach between 1 to 3 inches. That will at least linger until Wednesday. By the time we get towards your Thursday, it will be very beautiful, mostly sunny skies, and temperatures already getting back to normal. Friday will go slightly above normal. By then, though, we introduce a disturbance that could bring a rain-snow mix. The good news is, going into the weekend, though, temperatures are not really going to fall. They're going to continue to maintain themselves in those 30s. So it's actually going to be mild and looking to be actually the mildest and warmest weekend we have seen in this month of March. So I guess third time is the charm, apparently, for this month, especially since it's month number 3. Looking at the satellite radar, though, good amount of snow coming through parts of lower Michigan, extending into parts of northwestern Ohio and Indiana, and even just to the northern fringes of Kentucky. This is actually going to become a stronger system as it makes its way towards the northeast tomorrow, where there's already winter storm warnings posted, and accumulations for them could reach up to 1.5 feet, so 18 inches. For us, however, mostly high pressure will be in control, but we're still going to be dealing with pretty much the last blast of this cold air before it finally departs, and we'll finally see some more milder air take its place. As high pressure continues to be towards the east, more of that northerly air will continue to spill in, keeping us still on the frigid side. But going into that FUTURECAST, though, you can see how those clouds really begin to fall apart gradually through the next couple of days. So do those snow showers. Eventually, we end up with mostly sunny skies by the time we get towards your Thursday. By Friday, though, we will begin to see that rain-snow mix, and you can already see the clouds already increasing through parts of Minnesota and Iowa. That's the precursor of what we're going to be seeing going into your Friday. But good news is we have a couple of days to keep an eye on that storm. Right now for tonight, though, 9 degrees. Wind chills could still be on the negative side, so make sure to bundle up with those winds out of the northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For your Tuesday, we will see northeasterly winds at around 10 to 15, so a little bit of those scattered hit and miss snow showers are possible. 22 in Ontonagon, 26 in Florence, 22 in Munising. Looking at your sunrise for your Tuesday, we are seeing it at 8:04 a.m. and temperatures trying to break into those 20s. Only a 30% chance of snow, eventually decreasing towards 20, but we begin to warm up out of those teens and 20s by Thursday, and we stay there going to next week with just a rain-snow mix on both Friday and Monday. But overall, good amount of sunshine coming in for the weekend.